All right. Noticed some people posting a few things on the internet lately. You know, everybody's got something to say. Well, this is what I have to say. How do you make a poor man's cafe mocha? Huh? Do not drip on the floor. Do not drip on the floor. How do you make a poor man's cafe mocha? First, you have to have old coffee that's been sitting around all day, so it's nice and thick and oily. Then, you have to have over 100 years worth of chocolatey memories. Package pre-cut, since I have to do this one-handed. All right, you just stay right there. Next, we need to get ourselves a coffee cup. Let's see here what we got there. Let's see. Oh, look at all these cups. Let's see. Oh, look at that. There we go. That's perfect. Something with my face on it so you can see me. There we go. Stargate. Now, of course, it has marshmallows. Don't even ask. Let me dump that in there. There you go. Nice and chocolatey and marshmallowy. There we go. Then we grab this morning's coffee. And we add that. Oh, there you go, baby. Get in there. Oh, you just get all mixed up, chocolatey and goody. Leave enough room for cream. That's just to help the cooling process. Meh. Now, something to stir with. Oh, here we go. Since my son didn't eat his Captain Crunch this morning, there is an empty bowl with a spoon ready to go. All right. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. So marshmallowy and delicious. Ooh, I love you, Cafe Mocha. Oh, yeah. We'll just set you aside right there in your very own bowl. What do you think, Jonas? Are we in this together? Let's do this! Oh, so